Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to close your TaxSlayer account. It's important to understand that direct account deletion isn't always an option, especially if you've filed a tax return. Due to IRS regulations, TaxSlayer is required to retain your tax return information for a minimum of 3 years. After this period, your data may be automatically removed from their servers. To initiate the account closure process, you'll need to log into your TaxSlayer account. Once logged in, navigate to the Help and Support tab. From there, you can send an email directly to their customer support team. In your message, clearly state your intention to close your account and request their assistance with the process. Before submitting your request, it's highly recommended to download and save any tax documents or information you might need for future reference. TaxSlayer support will likely ask for specific details to verify your identity, such as your registered email and full name. Be aware that the account closure process can take up to 24 hours to complete. Even after your account is closed, TaxSlayer is legally obligated to retain your tax return information for at least 3 years. If you haven't filed a return, you might have the option to deactivate specific tax returns within your account. If full deletion isn't possible, simply ceasing to use the account is a viable alternative, as your data will eventually be removed after the required retention period.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.